In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add labels using keyboard shortcuts in Trello. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and save time while organizing your Trello board, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First, before we can utilize keyboard shortcuts to add labels, we need to ensure our labels are set up. Start by navigating to your Trello board where you want to organize your tasks or projects using labels. Look towards the top right of your screen where you'll find the three dots icon. This is often referred to as the menu or options button. Give it a click, and from the menu that appears, select the labels option. Once you've clicked on labels, you'll be presented with a list of labels that are currently available for your use. This list is crucial because Trello aligns each label with a number on your keyboard. What does this mean? Well, for example, the first label on your list is linked to the number 1 on your keyboard, the second label to number 2, and so forth. This intuitive system allows for quick access once you're familiar with which label corresponds to which number. Now, with this understanding, you can personalize these labels to suit your needs. This might involve renaming them, changing their colors, or even adding new ones. Once you're satisfied with how your labels are set up, you're ready to start using the keyboard shortcuts. When you find yourself needing to add a label to any card on your board, it's as simple as hovering your mouse over the card you want to label. Once your cursor is positioned over the card, you can press the number on your keyboard that matches the label you wish to apply. For instance, if you want to apply the first label on your list, just press the number 1, and voila. Your label is swiftly added to that card. Sometimes, you might forget which number corresponds to which label, and that's perfectly okay. If you're ever unsure, there's a handy shortcut to help you. Simply hover over the desired card and press the letter L on your keyboard. This action opens the label editor specifically for that card, giving you a clear view of all available labels. From here, you can easily choose the label you need from the list, and that's all there is to it. By using these straightforward steps, you're now equipped to efficiently manage and organize your Trello boards with the quick use of keyboard shortcuts. This method not only saves time but also enhances productivity by reducing the need to constantly click through menus. Happy organizing, and enjoy the newfound efficiency in your Trello experience.